Salt Lake City's unique climate is a blend of breathtaking landscapes and diverse weather conditions. However, its variable climate can have a significant impact on the longevity of windows and doors in homes and businesses. Understanding these effects and taking proactive measures can help you maintain the integrity of your property while saving on costly repairs and replacements. A climate of extreme. Salt Lake City experiences a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from scorching summers with temperatures often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit to frigid winters where the thermometer plunges well below freezing. This temperature variation can stress the materials in your windows and doors, causing wear and tear over time. Additionally, Salt Lake's semi-arid climate, coupled with its occasional snowstorms, hail, and heavy rain, creates unique challenges for property owners. Effects of heat on windows and doors. The hot summer months can cause significant damage to your windows and doors, especially if they are not made from high-quality or weather-resistant materials. Prolonged exposure to the sun's UV rays can lead to fading, warping, and cracking, particularly in wooden frames. Vinyl frames, while more resistant, can still become brittle under intense heat. Glass panes can also expand and contract, potentially compromising seals and leading to drafts or moisture infiltration. To combat these issues, consider investing in energy-efficient windows with UV-blocking coatings. These coatings reduce heat absorption and protect your interior spaces from sun damage, making them a cost-effective solution for Salt Lake's hot summers. Winter weather challenges. Salt Lake's winters bring freezing temperatures, snow, and ice, all of which can negatively affect the lifespan of windows and doors. Wood frames are particularly vulnerable to swelling and warping due to moisture absorption. When water seeps into small cracks and freezes, it expands, causing the material to deteriorate over time. Similarly, metal components, such as hinges and locks, can rust or become difficult to operate due to ice buildup. The solution lies in regular maintenance. Ensure your windows and doors are properly sealed to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Weather stripping and caulking are inexpensive yet highly effective measures that can extend the life of your doors and windows during Salt Lake's harsh winters. The role of air quality. Salt Lake City is known for its periodic inversions, which trap pollution close to the ground, affecting air quality. Over time, airborne pollutants can accumulate on windows, frames, and hardware, leading to corrosion and discoloration. This is particularly problematic for aluminum and steel components, which can rust or degrade more quickly when exposed to pollution and moisture. Routine cleaning and maintenance are essential to combat this issue. Regularly clean your windows and frames with gentle, non-abrasive solutions to remove dirt, grime, and potential pollutants. Lubricate metal components to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. The impact of Salt Lake City's proximity to the Great Salt Lake introduces another element to the equation: salt exposure. Salt particles carried by wind can accelerate corrosion on metal parts, such as hinges, locks, and aluminum frames. Over time, this can weaken the structural integrity of your doors and windows, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Using corrosion-resistant materials, such as stainless steel hardware, can mitigate the effects of salt exposure. Additionally, applying protective coatings to metal surfaces can provide an extra layer of defense against the harsh environment. Proactive measures to extend longevity. The good news is that with proper care, the lifespan of your windows and doors can be significantly extended, even in Salt Lake's challenging climate. Here are a few key tips to keep your windows and doors in top condition. Inspect regularly. Check for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, gaps, or discoloration, and address issues promptly. Upgrade materials. Opt for high-quality materials, such as fiberglass or composite frames, which are more resistant to extreme weather conditions. Invest in insulation. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas layers can improve energy efficiency and reduce stress on your windows. Seal properly. Ensure all seals, caulking, and weather stripping are in good condition to prevent moisture intrusion. Clean and maintain. Regularly clean your windows and lubricate moving parts to keep everything functioning smoothly. Conclusion. Salt Lake City's unique weather presents challenges for the longevity of windows and doors, but with the right materials, maintenance, and proactive care, you can protect your investment and enhance the comfort of your home or business. By addressing the effects of heat, cold, salt, and pollution, you can ensure your windows and doors remain functional and aesthetically pleasing for years to come.